He's not woken up yet.
You know what he's like. Could sleep through anything. Herd of elephants could be tap dancing in his bedroom and he wouldn't notice. We can waft a bacon butty under his nose. Usually works. Look, why don't you nip home? You'll get cleaned up. You'll feel a lot better after a shower.
No, I'd rather stay here if it's all the same.
He's gonna be okay, Dad. Hey, the doctor said so. You're not gonna miss anything.
Yeah, no, but I really need to be here when he wakes up.
I know. Just let me take over for a bit.
What part of this don't you understand? I can't leave him.
You can't blame yourself for what happened.
Yes, I can.
No. Hey, you weren't responsible for the rain, the crash, the car exploding. But you did everything you could. The important thing is Adi made it out alive. We both did. Just can't believe how close I came to...
Honey, please don't. Okay, please don't cry. Listen, you're right. You're right. We've got so much to be thankful for. Hey. Come on, why don't you let me take you home? I'll fix you something to eat, wrap you in a blanket. I could be back before he wakes up.
Oh, yeah. Maybe one of your hot chocolates.
You mean the one with the maple syrup? Come on. I'll fix you. Oh, thank you. Come on. I love you.